All right, we're gonna do some Reddit reactions on quality assurance here. Product requirements, no contents found. Yeah, that seems to be very true a lot of times. Sadly, it's a very important thing to have shared with your suppliers so they know what to provide you. If you don't give it to us, we're guessing. What is the most interesting issue you've ever found? Yeah, sadly, a lot of times on some of the issues you aren't allowed to talk about it, or you end up finding out it really wasn't a quality issue and it was an application issue. Exciting, extraordinary tools that we use. I mean, we have everything from XRF, which is using X-rays spectropathy to basically tell you plating thickness, things like that. Basically, white box, it shoots X-rays at it, and it whatever bounces off it, it reads the spectrum on it. It's one of the fancy tools that I purposely wrote the script so we could put in there. Hardness testing, we'll use acids and stuff to remove plating, to even vision systems that help us measure parts. How do you determine how many fasteners you need? Well, normally it's the number of holes that we're bolting into. There is a ton of things that really come into factor here. How much does it really need to hold together? And it can be a complex calculation figuring out the amount of load that's required, really the clamp load that's needed, how even the force needs to be spread, what type of conditions it's in. Is it gonna be in a very vibration, very shaky conditions? You may need extra. If it's gonna receive a lot of shock load, that would also increase the number. It becomes a really complex topic that you really need to look at the entire assembly and its usage. If it's designed to have a bolt in it, you should have a bolt in it. Deleted. Structural concrete or structural steel, it varies a lot based on usage. Steel is gonna have a little more flex in it, so if you're gonna have earthquakes, it may fare better than a concrete structure, but concrete is great because it lasts for pretty much forever. It's solid, it is incredible at compression strength, but it does have its weaknesses of it's really not good at tensile, so it's gonna crack. But on the other hand, steel also is much more likely to have issues with environmental issues, such as silt being in there. And that's really where it comes in. Combining the two is gonna get you the best option a lot of times. Adding that steel rebar, or even sometimes fiberglass or carbon fiber rebar now, into a concrete structure, you get the tensile from the rebar, and then you get that incredible compressive load from the concrete.
So is that it?
No more.
Reddit?
Yeah, that's done with Reddit.